Heat stress is one of the most underestimated occupational hazards. Whether you work outdoors in the sun or in a factory with high ambient temperatures, your body's ability to cool itself can fail, often without warning. Heat stress occurs when your body absorbs or produces more heat than it can dissipate. Core temperature rises, and the consequences range from mild discomfort to life-threatening heatstroke. The first warning signs are often subtle. Excessive sweating, dizziness, headache, and nausea can appear hours into a shift. By the time confusion sets in, heatstroke may already be developing. Outdoor workers face continuous sun exposure. Construction, landscaping, and agricultural workers are at highest risk during peak summer months, especially between 10 in the morning and 4 in the afternoon. Indoor workers are not immune. Kitchens, laundries, foundries, and data centers generate extreme heat. Poor ventilation traps warm air, and workers may wear protective gear that further reduces heat dissipation. Hydration is your first defense. Drinking water regularly, not just when thirsty, maintains blood volume and cooling capacity. A worker should consume about 1 liter every hour in hot conditions. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before and during shifts, they accelerate dehydration. Sports drinks with electrolytes can help replace sodium lost through sweat, especially during long exposures. Acclimatization is essential. When workers are new to hot environments, their bodies need 5 to 14 days to adapt. Gradually increase workload and duration in the heat during this period. Pace yourself. During extreme heat, reduce work intensity or take frequent breaks in cooler areas. A 10-minute rest in shade can prevent heat illness more effectively than pushing through. Clothing matters. Light colors reflect heat, loose fits allow air circulation. In outdoor work, a wide-brimmed hat and light long sleeves provide sun protection while enabling cooling. Employers must provide accessible shade or air-conditioned rest areas. A shaded outdoor structure or a fan-cooled booth prevents core temperature from climbing uncontrollably during breaks. Ventilation and airflow in indoor facilities reduce ambient temperature and humidity. Installing fans, opening doors during cooler hours, and removing heat-generating equipment when possible all help. Shift scheduling can dramatically reduce heat illness. Starting earlier in the day or shifting demanding work to cooler hours minimizes exposure to peak heat. Never ignore symptoms in yourself or coworkers. Heat exhaustion can progress to heat stroke within minutes. Move to cool shade immediately, drink water slowly, and call emergency services if confusion or loss of consciousness occurs. Cool the body rapidly if heat stroke is suspected. Apply cold water, wet cloths, or ice to the neck, armpits, and groin areas where major blood vessels run close to the skin. Medical monitoring is vital. Workers in high-risk roles should have baseline health assessments and periodic checks. Pre-existing conditions like obesity, hypertension, or cardiovascular disease increase heat stress risk. Certain medications impair heat tolerance. Diuretics, antihistamines, and stimulants reduce sweating or increase metabolic heat. Always disclose medications to your employer and occupational health provider. Know your legal rights. Many jurisdictions mandate heat illness prevention plans. Employers must provide water, shade, and rest periods. Report unsafe conditions to occupational health authorities. Heat stress prevention saves lives and improves productivity. When workers are cool and hydrated, they perform better, make fewer errors, and stay healthy long-term. Take heat stress seriously. Stay informed, hydrate consistently, take breaks, and look out for your team. A simple awareness today prevents tragedy tomorrow.